This time, I'm going to talk about how to generate PDF file summary with Python and display the result with FastAPI. When we read lengthy PDF files, sometimes it is difficult to identify key points. We need to quickly understand without reading full text. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Python tool to generate summary for a PDF file. It will significantly save your time and enhance your efficiency. Before we generate summary for PDF file, we need to install Python library first. This PyPDF2 is a free and open source pure Python PDF library. It can help us to split, merge, crop, or transform the pages of PDF files. And then we need to install this SUMY library. This module is used for automatic summarization of text documents. And then we need to install this NLTK, the Natural Language Toolkit. Then we want to run FastAPI locally. We need to install FastAPI and UVCron. What is FastAPI? The FastAPI is a modern Python framework that simplifies building and handling HTTP APIs efficiently. FastAPI is a modern high-performance and robust Python web framework used for building REST APIs. It seamlessly integrates with UVCron, a lightweight asynchronous server gateway interface server, which excels in handling multiple connections and events concurrently. So basically, we use this UVCron to run our web server. The choice of UVCron for FastAPI is driven by its exceptional performance, ease of integration with FastAPI, and its ability to serve numerous incoming requests. I think most of the people know REST API. If we compare FastAPI and REST API, you can see the performance for FastAPI is very high and development speed is very fast, and I will show you later. And the learning curve is very low if you are familiar with Python, and it's very flexible but limited to Python. Okay, now let's go to our Python code. So first, we need to import all those libraries, and then we specify the file path for a PDF file. We will extract text from each page and put them into text format, and then we will call this package to get our summary. About the algorithm of this package, there are several articles and also YouTube videos talking about that, so I will not explain how it works. After we got this summary, we want to display them here in our console. Now let's run our program. You can see we got the summary here. And if we open our PDF file, you can see this is our PDF file. It's talking about business process management. And if we grab some of the summary we got from our Python program and search that, you see it came from here. And basically, our Python package extracts some of the text from this PDF file and generated this summary. I will upload my Python program to my GitHub so you can download and change this file to your own PDF file and try it. Now, let's take a look how can we use FastAPI to expose our interface to end users. First, we import FastAPI here, and then if the user accesses the root directory, we will return this message: FastAPI is working. And then if the user trying to get summary, we will display the summary we got from our Python code. But if you try to display the summary just as it is, because it has special characters, it's a throw an error. So I just clean this summary, remove some special characters, and display it. Now I'm under the directory where I saved my PDF file and the Python program. You can see the PDF file is here and my Python program is here. Now let's run our web server. We use UV here, and then we will write this Python program name, the PDF summary. It shows this is the application, and this reload means every time if we modify this file, the web server will reload this program automatically. Let's run it. Okay, now it started already. We come to our browser as the root directory of our web server. We got the message: FastAPI is working. This is what I wrote here. So we come back, and if we say summary, we got the summary displayed here. Of course, this is because I'm running this web server on my local machine. If you run this web server with an external IP address, your end user can access your service from anywhere. This is how I generated PDF file summary with Python and display the result with FastAPI. Please provide your comments and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.